In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue when your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal is blocked or canceled for your protection. This can be frustrating, but usually it's just a security measure and can be resolved quickly. First, open the Cash App on your phone and go to the home screen. At the bottom right corner, you'll see the Activity tab, which looks like a small clock. Tap on it to view all your recent transactions. Scroll through the list until you find the Bitcoin withdrawal that was declined. These transactions are normally marked clearly with labels like declined, blocked, or not confirmed, so they're easy to spot. Once you locate the transaction, tap on it to open the details. In most cases, you'll see an option to review the transaction. Tap on Review, and Cash App may ask you to confirm that you were the one who initiated it. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to verify the withdrawal. This step is designed to make sure no one else is trying to move Bitcoin from your account without your permission. After confirming, you should see a green button that says something like "Looks good" or "Confirm transaction." Tap that, and Cash App will update the record to show that this withdrawal is safe. Once that's done, your Bitcoin transfer should go through without being canceled again. And that's it. By reviewing and confirming the transaction, you let Cash App know that the withdrawal is legitimate and not suspicious. If you still have issues, even after confirming, you may need to contact Cash App support directly through the app for additional help. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.